From passion for cooking, love for coffee, and joy in traveling, this cafe has created. Kaya kung hilig mo din na mag-travel at kumain, this cafe is a perfect place for you. Nagsuserve sila dito ng rice meals, pasta, appetizers, at mga kakaibang drinks. Another solid food trip sa Rizal experience na naman to. Tara, samahan niyo ko. Hi Rizaleños! I'm Ella. Andito tayo ngayon sa boundary ng Taytay at Antipolo dahil may na-discover tayo na cafe. So yung hilig nila sa pagta-travel turned into a business concept. So excited na akong i-discover ang cafe na to at tikman ang mga pagkain nila dito. So tara, samahan nyo ko. Tara, tour ko muna kayo. Welcome to La Maleta Cafe. Pagpasok, makikita nyo ang kanilang high ceiling at walls na maraming artworks. Meron din silang loft to accommodate more guests. For appetizer, we ordered their taco roll available in beef, chicken, tofu, birria, cheeseburger at ang pinakabago nilang pizza taco roll. Umorder din kami ng nachos. We ordered chicken teriyaki and ribs for rice meals. Sa pasta naman, we ordered chicken hollandaise, lasagna. For desserts, umorder kami ng mais con yelo at halo-halo. Sinubukan din namin ang mga best-seller drinks nila. So, tikman na natin to guys, starting off with their pizza roll tacos. Ayan. So, meron tong special taco sauce. Iniwa ko na siya. And makikita nyo, meron siyang pepperoni inside. So, I'm sure meron din niyang mga iba pang ingredients ng pizza. So, tikman na natin to. Naamoy ko na yung sauce, yung mga spices. Ang sarap ng taco sauce niya. Gusto ko yung mga spices. Hindi tinipid yung spices and andun talaga yung taco flavor. And gusto ko rin na pinray nila yung soft taco. So, naging crispy yung crust nung yung pinaka-taco niya. So, halo-halong texture. Merong soft yung loob and crispy naman yung outer. So, panalo din to and must try. Ang sarap ng sauce, panalo. Okay guys, next naman yung kanilang ribs. Ayan. So, napakadami ring barbecue sauce nito or I'm not sure if anong sauce to, pero I'm sure barbecue sauce to. Ayan. So, bango. Andun talaga yung smoky flavor na hinahanap ko sa ribs. And ang sarap din ng barbecue sauce. Same nung taco sauce. Napakasarap nitong barbecue sauce nila. And sakto lang din yung texture ng ribs. Hindi siya sobrang lambot. I mean, sakto lang. Hindi rin naman matigas. Pero ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung sauce talaga. Napaka-flavorful. Panalo. Okay guys, next to try yung kanilang lasagna. So, talagang napaka-meaty nung loob nito. And hindi rin tinipid yung cheese at sauce. So, yan siya guys. Cheesy siya. Sakto lang yung texture ng pasta. Al dente siya. And at the same time, naghahalo yung asim and yung tamis ng sauce. And parang beef yung gamit dito, kaya parang mas malasa siya. Sarap. So for dessert, itong titikman natin is yung kanilang halo-halo. Grabe guys, hindi talaga tinipid dahil overloaded talaga yung sahog. And tingnan nyo naman guys, yung toppings nila na leche flan. Tingnan nyo, napakaganda. So tikman muna natin yung leche flan. Sarap. And napakadaming sahog. So, i-mix-mix muna natin. Hindi rin tinipid yung ube. And ayan. ganda ng texture ng ice nila, parang pabingso na. Smooth and fine yung texture. And ang creamy din and hindi tinipid talaga sa sangkap. Super overloaded. Must try ito. And for the drinks, guys, ube latte with leche flan. Oh, napasarap. Andun talaga yung ube flavor and hindi overpowering yung tamis niya. At yung drinks na pwede na rin dessert. Ang sarap. At ngayon guys, kasama naman natin si Miss Bella. She's the owner of La Maleta Cafe. Kamusta po, ma'am?
Hi, I'm okay naman. How about you? How are you doing?
Okay naman din po and super nag-enjoy ako dito sa La Maleta Cafe experience namin.
Thank you.
And kamusta naman tayo sa mga restaurant?
Hi, Rizaleños. I'm Bella. I'm the owner of La Maleta Cafe.
Ayun. And ma'am, if I may ask, paano po ba nagsimula ang La Maleta Cafe?
So, basically, mahilig akong mag-travel talaga, go around places, locally, internationally. Mahilig din akong kumain. And mahilig ako sa coffee. So, that concept started from there.
From passion talaga into business. And ano po ba yung masasabi nyo na pinagkaiba ng La Maleta Cafe sa ibang cafe dito sa Rizal?
So, yung menu namin is very unique. Aside from our best sellers, nag-change din siya. So, parang nag-travel ka rin with us through our food. And aside from that, we also hold workshops, building small communities here so you can meet new people here during workshops. And aside from that, we also hold mga intimate parties. So it's something really special and to your liking talaga kung anong gusto mong request, nabibigay naman namin kung kaya.
Pero how many maximum number of guests po yung pwede yung ma-accommodate for intimate parties?
For you to sit comfortably here, around 20 to 30 packs, including upstairs and downstairs.
Very nice naman din po, no? So if you have mga intimate events like birthday parties, ayan, mga
engagement
parties, ayan, you can do it here. And also, ma'am, invite nyo na rin ang ating mga Rizaleños na puntahan po kayo dito.
Hi, Rizaleños! So, drop by La Maleta Cafe. Nandito kami sa Ortigas Avenue Extension. Landmark is near the Antipolo Arc, across Fairmount Hill Subdivision, and beside Metro Gas Station. And then follow us on our social media page, La Maleta Cafe on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok.
Ayun. And how about your operating hours, ma'am?
Alright, our operating hours are Tuesday to Sunday, 12 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Ayun. So guys, punta na kayo dito dahil talagang must try yung mga food nila. Yung drinks nyo nga po, kakaiba, na-enjoy ko siya. Yung ube with leche flan, napakasarap. So guys, tara na, punta na kayo dito at follow nyo na rin ang ating mga social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at YouTube. So for Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube channel, we have When in Rizal, and Instagram, When_in_Rizal. At sabay-sabay natin iangat hindi lamang turismo, kundi pati na rin mga lokal na produkto at negosyo dito sa Rizal. So, till our next vlog, guys. Bye!